Does it stink, Allison? Ooh. Ooh. Did you realize your wrist was broken?
Oh, mommy stinks? Thanks. Uh-oh. I think Daddy's gonna be a stinker next.
Do I stink? Whoa.
Oh, Daddy doesn't stink.
Does Bo stink? Oh, bad breath. Ooh. Ooh. Tickle, tickle, tickle? Are you getting tickled? Go to your bed. Go to your bed.
Aw, Allison's giving him his toy. Oh. Allison, say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Say love you.
Bye-bye.
Can you say I love you?
That was a double-hander.
Yeah.
That end usually is stinky, Allison.